So here is your first homework assignment. I want you to, from scratch, build me a program that has two variables, they can be ints or doubles, named whatever you want. The program will prompt the user for two variables and store one value in each variable. So I want you to see out a message telling the user that you need two numbers. And then after that, you're going to take in one number, and then you're going to store it to a variable using cin, and then take another number and store that to another variable using cin. I want you to then modify your program so that it will find the difference, product, and quotient of the two numbers. So first I want you to make one that adds them together and outputs a number. And then I want you to change it so that it subtracts the second one from the first and outputs the result, and then multiplies them, and then divides them. It doesn't have to do this all in one program. So basically you're going to be compiling it probably 4 different times. So since that's a lot of compilation to deal with, and this homework assignment should only take you maybe about 10 to 20 minutes at most, you can take one of these sample inputs and just see if it matches. Probably if this very last one matches, you're good to go. So when you build the program, it should say, please enter a number. You're going to use your cout for that, and then you're going to enter 134, and then you're going to press enter, and then can ask you again, please enter a second number, and it's going to have 279 as your second number. When it outputs the sum, it should be 413. When it outputs the difference, it should be negative 145. The product, it should be this, and the quotient, it should be this. If you typecast your variables as integers, you're going to have to make sure to typecast them as doubles for the output on the quotient. And yeah, I think that's the only one you're going to have to actually typecast. But I wouldn't advise typecasting them as integers, because if somebody inputs, say, 1.5, you're going to get an inaccurate answer. So go ahead and try and make this program, and I'm going to put up a video in just a bit about what a successful program should look like.